Hi students, I am Ranjit Raj. Welcome to my channel Math Learning Tutorial. So students, in previous videos we learned about real numbers and we solved few problems on real numbers. Now let's see few more problems on real number concept. Okay, so now exercise 1.4, problem number 7. Find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Take root 2 is equal to 1.414 and root 5 is equal to 2.236. Okay, so what is the given problem, students? That is root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. So here what is there in denominator? Root 2 is there. And here they gave value of root 2 and value of root 5. Okay, so in denominator 2 root 2 is there, right? So students, if we rationalize the denominator, it is very easy to find the answer. Okay, so what is the rationalizing factor of 2 root 2? Simplest rationalizing factor is root 2. To monomials, those given sets itself rationalizing factors. So RF of, students, here RF means rationalizing factor, short form. RF of 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. So students, now we need to multiply it with root 2 by root 2. So root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. So root 2 of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 into, students, here root 2 into root 2. That is root 2 square. Okay, so square and square root cancel. So now root 2 into root 10 is root 20. So root 20 minus root 2 into root 5 is what? Root 10. So which formula we used here? First of all, like distributive property. A of b minus c is equal a into b minus a into c, distributive property. And again root a into root b is equal to what? Root of a into b, right? Root a into root b is what? Root of a into b. So root 2 into root 10 is root 20. Root 2 into minus root 5 is minus root 10. By 2 into, here square root cancel, 2 is left, 2 to the 4. So root 20 minus root 10 by 4. Okay, so whatever the property we used here, I am mentioning here, a of b minus c is equal a into b minus a into c. So this property I used to solve this. And next root a into root b. Root a into root b is equal root of a into b. So these two formulae we used here. Now students, see, root 20 can be written as under root of 4 into 5, right? Minus root 10 can be written as root 5 into, so it's a root of 5 into 2 and by 4. So students, here if a root a into root b is equal root of a into b, root of a into b can be written as root a into root b, no? Okay, so here we can write it as root 4 into root 5. So root 4 value is what? 2 and root 5 minus root 5 into root 2. Okay, so by 4. Now students, root 5 same, I am taking it outside. Root 5 of 2 minus root 2 by 4. So students, what is the value of root 5? That is given in the problem 2.236. So 2.236 into 2 minus, what is the value of root 2 in the problem? 1.414. So that is 1.414 by 4. So you can multiply, like 4 ones are 4 zeros, 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Okay, now 36 is there, 4 9s are. Again students, here 0.559 into 2 minus 1.414 is there. So we need to subtract 2.000. Students, here we have to write 2 decimal point 000 and we are subtracting 1.414. So what will be our result? So here you divide 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 1 8, 5. So here you will get 1 minus 1 0, 0.586. Okay. So we need to multiply these two numbers. Students, they are asking up to 3 decimal places. So what will be our answer? 0.3275. So like this. So they are asking 3 decimal places. So if you find 0.327, that is enough. Students, now problem number 8. Find 64 to the power of 1 by 6. Okay, and few more questions are given. First, look at this problem. 64 to the power of 1 by 6. So students, what is the exponential form of 64? So is it possible to write with exponent 6? First we have to check in that way. 64 is there, students. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So we can write this 64 as 2 to the power of 6. Okay. So 2 to the power of 6 whole power 1 by 6. Right? And we have one formula, a power m whole power n. That is equal to what? A power m into n. No? So students, here 2 power 6 whole power 1 by 6 is there. It can be written as 2 power 6 into 1 by 6. So 6 ones are 6 ones are. So students, what we got here? 2 to the power of 1 by 1, 2 to the power of 1 only. So 2 to the power of 1 gives us 2. Okay. Now look at the second one. 32 to the power of 1 by 5 is there. So students, already we checked. 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 5. So same formula, a power n whole power n is a power m into n. So here you can write it as 2 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. So which gives you 2 to the power of 1 is 2. If 2 raised to power 1, that is 2 only. Yeah. So now 625 is here, students. So we can write 625 as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. We have to take its factorization. Okay, so obviously it is ending with 5. Okay, so like this we will get 625. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 fives are. 5 twos, 5 fives. Finally 5 fives. How many? 5, 5, 5, 5. We can express it as 5 to the power of 4. So it can be written as 5 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4, which gives you 5 to the power of 4 into 1 by 4. 4 ones are, 4 ones are. So that is equal to 5 power 1, which gives you 5. Right? Now see fourth problem. 16 power 3 by 2 is here. So here denominator is what? 2. So 16 is here. So we can write 16 as 4 square, right? Okay, so if you write 16 as 4 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 is there. Okay, since here denominator is 2, that's the reason I am trying to write it as like number with the exponent 2. So that 2 will get cancelled. No? So it can be written as 4 to the power of 2 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are. So what you got here, 4 to the power of 1 into 3 by 1, that is 4 to the power of 3. So what is the value of 4 to the power of 3? 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4 4 are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now fifth problem, 243 to the power of 2 by 5 is there. So students, if you take 343, you can write it as 3 to the power of 5. It can be written as 3 to the power of 5. So in that way, with the factorization method, we can find prime factorization method. So 3 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2 by 5. So you can write it as 3 to the power of 5 into 2 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 ones are. So 3 power 1 into 2, 2. So 3 square value is what? 9. Okay. Now last sum. 46,656 to the power of negative 1 by 6 is there. Students, we can write it as 6 to the power of 6. Okay. So 6 to the power of 6 whole to the power of negative 1 by 6. So it can be written as 6 to the power of 6 into negative 1 by 6. 6 ones are, 6 ones are, which gives you 6 to the power of minus 1. So students, we have one formula. A to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. Okay, so a to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. So by using this formula we can write this as 1 by 6. This is the answer. Now see problem number 9. Simplify fourth root of 81. Fourth root of 81 minus 8. In between nothing is there. So students, here we have to consider it as multiplication. So minus 8 into cubed root of 343 plus 15 into fifth root of 32 plus under root of 225. So we need to simplify this expression. Okay. So students, we will try with exponential forms. Okay. So 81 is there. So we can write it as 3 to the power of 4. And we can write, okay, fourth root of 3 to the power of 4. Okay. Minus 8 into cube root of 343. So exponential form of 343. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. So it can be written as cube root 7 to the power of 3 plus 15 into, so fifth root of 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So we can write it as 2 to the power of 5 plus under root of 15 square. Okay. So now students, fourth root of nth root of a power n there means that is a. So why nth root of a power n there means that is a? Why means you can write a to the power of n whole to the power of this nth root in exponential form can be written as whole to the power of 1 by n, right? In third definition we learned nth root a is radical form, its exponential form is a to the power of 1 by n. Okay, so here n and n will get cancelled, finally a will be left. So directly also we can write. Okay, so here fourth root power 4 will get cancelled, cubed root power 3 cancel, fifth root power 5 cancel, square will get cancelled. Now what is left? 3 minus 8 into 7. 3 minus 8 into 7. Next, plus 15 into 2 plus 15. Okay, so 3. So students, here we need to follow BODMAS. First we need to do the multiplication. What is BODMAS? What is BODMAS? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, finally subtraction. Actually, okay. So first here, if you do 3 minus 5, 3 minus 8 minus 5, minus 5 into 7 minus 35, if you take no, that is absolutely wrong. First we have to complete this multiplication part. Okay, fine. So 3 minus 56 plus 15 to the 30 plus 15. So students, see here. First I wanna add all positive numbers. 3 plus 30 plus 15. 3 plus 30 value 33. 33 plus 15 is what? 48 minus 56. So students, negative 56 as it is they have taken here. 3 plus 30 33. 33 plus 15 is 48. So now 48 minus 56 value is, so that is negative 8. Means what we have to do? Here we need to subtract small number from big number, and here while taking the symbol we need to take the sign of the bigger number. So if you close this sign, 56 is bigger, no? Its sign is minus. So here result will be obviously negative. So negative 8 is the answer. Students, let's see in 10th bit first problem. If a and b are rational numbers, find the value of a and b in each of following equations. So in that first equation is root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal a plus b root 6. Okay, and even these type of questions are important in competitive exams point of view also. Students, so see, first we have to take this part, LHS part, and we have to rationalize its denominator. Okay, so I am taking this left hand side, root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. Now you take rationalizing factor. RF means rationalizing factor. So rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2 is equal to root 3 plus root 2. Now with this root 3 plus root 2, by root 3 plus root 2, we need to multiply this expression. Okay. So root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. So students, here numerator, in which form it is there? A plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b means a plus b whole square, right? So what is the expansion of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. And denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, and students, here, so numerator we can write here as root 3 plus root 2 whole square by denominator we can write as root 3 square minus root 2 square. Okay, square root cancel, fine. And this numerator is in the form of a plus b whole square. So I am expanding here, that is root 3 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. Means a is root 3, b is root 2, that is the reason. By 3 minus 2. Now square root cancelled, what is left? 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, 5 plus in numerator, 5 plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. So we have formula root a into root b is equal root of a into b. So 2 into root 3 into root 2 can be written as root 6. So 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 by 3 minus 2 is what, students? 1. 3 plus 2 root 6 by 1 is there. So actually this is equal to what? This is LHS part. We simplified LHS part. And this is equal to a plus b root 6. Okay, so this simplified part is equal to a plus b root 6. Okay, so students, by 1 means if you don't mention this 1 also, there is no change. So 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to, I am writing a plus b root 6. So students, here these two expressions are equal. Here 5 is rational part, a is rational part, right? So even in question they mentioned a and b are rational numbers. Okay, here they mentioned, no? Right. So a is equal to 5. Rational part is equal to rational part. So a is equal to 5. And next, what is the second term is equal to second term? No, here 2 root 6 is equal to b root 6. Okay, now 2 root 6 is equal to b root 6. So students, then what b is equal to? 2 root 6 into becomes by 2 root 6 by root 6 is equal to b. So root 6 by root 6 is what? Same thing by same thing is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 is equal to b, or also we can write if 2 is equal to b, b is equal to. That's it. Okay. So students, we found value of a and value of b. So students, now problem number 2 in 10th bit. Okay. So a and b are rational numbers. Find the value of a and b in the each following equations. Okay. So in this bit we finished first problem or second problem. Yeah. So students, I am taking the LHS part here. So root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. I am taking this LHS part. Okay. And it's a rationalizing factor. I am taking 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Rationalizing factor of 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Right. So students, now with the 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3, we have to multiply this expression. Right. So I am taking here root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 by 2 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. So students, here this is one binomial, this is one binomial, but these are not having like exactly same terms. Means in previous one what we did, same thing is there. Okay, so we have taken like whole square, but here the chance is not there. This is in the form of a plus b into c plus d. Now denominator a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so here we can use this formula. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we need to use this formula here. So okay, so students, we are here simplifying this numerator. How to simplify it? First term root 5 into whole plus root 3 into whole. This total expression. So I am taking here, see, root 5 into this whole, 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Now plus root 3 is here. So plus root 3 into, okay, what is here? 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3. Yeah, now by this denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. That is equal to a square minus b square. So I can write here 2 root 5 whole square. Okay, 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. So just we substitute in the formula, we got this. And here again one more formula we will use, students. What is that? A into b whole power m. So a into b whole power m is equal a power m into b power m. Okay, so here see, yeah. So students, see here root 5 into 2 root 5. So we can write it as 2 into root 5 square. Yes. So 2 into root 5 square. Okay, plus, here plus is there. Means students, what property is this? Distributive property. A of b plus c there means a into b plus a into c. So root 5 into 2 root 5 plus root 5 into 3 root 3. Okay, so here I can write root 5 into 3 root 3. Okay, now plus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus root 3 into 2 root 5. Okay, so root 3 into 2 root 5. Again here plus into plus plus plus, students, root 3 into 3 root 3 is there. So we can write as 3 into root 3 square. Okay, so we can write as 3 into root 3 square by, so denominator 2 square into root 5 square minus 3 square into root 3 square. Okay, so we can write here 2 square into root 5 square minus 3 square into root 3 square. So here square root cancelled, square root cancelled. So what is here? Also square root cancelled, here also square root cancelled. So 2 5s are 10, and students here plus 3 into root 3 into root 5. So students, here we will use root a into root b is equal to root of a into b. So root 3 into root 5 is root 15 into 3 is there. So 3 root 15 I can write plus 2 root 3 into root 5, root of 3 into 5, root 15. Okay, plus 3 3s are 9 by, yeah. So 2 square value is what? 4, and 4 5s are 20. 4 into 5, 20 minus 3 square value is what? Yes, 9, and 9 3s are 27. Okay, so students, now 10 plus 9 is what? 19 plus 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 is there. So students, this is these are like terms. So same irrational part is there. Okay, 3 root 15 plus 2 root 15 is there. So we can write it as, okay, 5 root 15. Okay, so like simple example, 3 dairy milks plus 2 dairy milks, 5 dairy milks, no? Okay, so here 3 plus 2 5, same thing, root 15 alone. So like 3 root 15, or else students, yeah, distributive property also. Here you can take root 15 common. So root 15 of 3 plus 2 is what? 5 root 15. So that I wrote here by 20 minus 27. So by, what is 20 minus 27 value? Negative 7. Okay, so that is negative 7, and which is equal to, so finally we simplified that, so which is equal to a minus b root 15. Okay, a minus b root 15. And students, you split this expression, split. Okay, so you write separately means you can also write it as 19 by minus 7 plus of 5 root 15 by minus 7. We can write like this. Okay, like fractions. Okay, so if you simplify again, you will get this one, 19 plus 5 root 15 by negative 7. Same thing will come. So I am just splitting it, and that is equal to a minus b root 15. Okay, a minus b root 15. So now students, just you like, this is a rational part, irrational part. So equate them respectively. Okay, so what you will get, a is equal to 19 by negative 7. So positive by negative is negative. So that is 19, negative 19 by 7. Okay, so students, finally you can write here a is equal to negative 19 by 7. Okay, now equate the irrational parts. What are the irrational parts? 5 root 15. Okay, 5 root 15 by negative 7 is equal to negative b root 15. Okay, so students, here root 15 same thing, no? It will get cancelled. Okay, now send this minus 7 to other side. What you will get? 5 is equal to minus b into minus 7. Minus into minus plus. So we can write here 5 is equal to 7b. So students, if you transpose 7 to left hand side, it's into because by now. So 5 by 7 is equal to b, or happily we can write. So if 5 by 7 is equal to b, we can write b is equal to 5 by 7. So here we can write b is equal to 5 by 7. So in this way, we will get the values of a and b. Now problem number 11. Find the square root of 11 plus 2 root 30. This is the question. So symbolically we can write like this, under root of 11 plus 2 root 30, right? Okay, now, so students, here we have one formula, that is root a square plus root b square plus 2 into root a into root b. So we know formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab, but we have this formula also. Root a square plus root b square plus 2 into root a into root b, there means that can be written as root a plus root b whole square. Okay, so we have this formula, students. Observe, root a square plus root b square plus 2 into root a into root b is equal to root a plus root b whole square. So students, you just observe 2 root 30 is here. 2 root 30 is here. So we can also write like 2 root 30 as 2 into root 6 into root 5, no? Root 6 into root 5 also root 30, right? And now this is in the form of 2ab, students. This is in the form of 2 into a into b. So now you check for a square plus b square. So what is a square plus b square here? A square plus b square, root 6 square plus root 5 square, right? Square root cancel 11, right? We are getting the first term now. Means in factorization we will split now middle term. So like that type of concept. So here by using these factors we have to split this first term. Okay, so students, we can write this 11 as 6 plus 5, because here root 6 and root 5 is there. So we can write this 11 as 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 30 can be written as root 6 into root 5. Okay, so students, we can write it as under root of root 6 square. Okay, so 5 can be written as root 5 square, because students, square root cut again 6 only, square root cut again 5 only, but we are getting into this now. So root 6 square plus root 5 square plus this is 2 into root 6 into root 5. So according to this formula, we can write it as under root 6 plus root 5 whole square. Okay, root 6 plus root 5 whole square. And students, here square and square root is there. We know what to do. Simply cut the square and square root. Now what is left? Root 6 plus root 5. Yeah, that is only our square root value. So that is equal to root 6 plus root 5. Okay, so this is the answer. So students, I hope you understood well. If you have any doubts, please put in comment section. So with this session, we have completed real numbers chapter in class 9th. Okay. And students, you can find all these previous videos related to this chapter in playlist. Okay. And students, please subscribe my channel and share our channel with your friends. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.